In Crime and Justice, a man is set to stand trial starting today for the murder of a Belmont University student. This is the case involving Jillian Ludwig, and a story that we followed from the day the shooting happened. This case goes back to November of 2023. Police say Belmont freshman Jillian Ludwig got hit by a stray bullet at the William Edmondson Homeside Park in Edge Hill. Police say Shaquille Taylor fired the shot. He's charged with first-degree murder and tampering with evidence. Since her death, Fox 17 News, as I mentioned, has been following the story, and we've uncovered more, including Taylor's history of violence and mental health issues.
Now today, Taylor is set to stand trial for all of this. A judge ruled just last summer that he is competent enough to stand trial. That means he can understand this case and also help in his own defense.
Our Fox 17 News reporter Chris Knowles is live outside the Davidson County Courthouse. Chris, I know the ruling did clear the way for today's trial. Get us up to speed here.
Absolutely. In just a few hours, people will be walking through these doors here at the Davidson County Courthouse for this trial as it gets underway. And last July, a judge ruled Shaquille Taylor competent to stand trial. The judge pointed to a key piece of evidence, a recorded interview with a forensic psychologist. And in that video, Taylor watched surveillance footage of the shooting and walked through the details, like who was there, how many shots were fired, and what defense he could make. The judge said that video shows that Taylor understands the charges and can work with his attorneys. Defense experts, however, previously testified that Taylor has an intellectual disability and may struggle with complex concepts. But under Tennessee law, the court focuses on whether he can understand the process and help in his defense. And the judge says that he can. So now the focus shifts from whether he can stand trial to what happened and if he's guilty or not. I'm Chris Knowles, reporting live, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. Now, after Jillian Ludwig's death, her family and lawmakers pushed for change. In fact, a 2024 law named in Jillian's honor requires felony defendants to get treatment, and this applies if they are found mentally incompetent to stand trial. Now,
before Jillian's law, doctors made the call themselves. They could commit someone for treatment or release them. That has now all been changed. Anyone found not to be able to stand trial must be committed, and they will stay there until they're ready for court. Back in April of 2024, there were only 6 beds available for something like this. Those defendants with intellectual disabilities were going to those particular beds. Now there are more than 36 total beds available. 12 of them are set aside for those with intellectual disabilities. Now, Fox 17 News has been following this story now going all the way back since the beginning in 2023 in November. We're going to continue to follow this trial and everything else to honor Jillian's life. You can find that coverage right now on our website, fox17.com. Just type the words and the name, Jillian Ludwig.